Hi, Michael Gaffney with this container. You want to know how to do big event pieces? I'm going to show you now. Let's look at what we've got. Spectacular Dutch Hydrangeas. Magnolia. I love Magnolia. Dusty Miller. Eucalyptus. Several types. All kinds. There's about 6 kinds of eucalyptus out there. Oh, here's another one. Thingamajig and whatchamacallit. I don't know these today. Number 1, think bulk. Think bunches. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm going to take a bunch of eucalyptus, give it a fresh cut, and drop it in the vase. Yes, you should clean that off. We'll do that later. Cut it up. Put it on the other side. Notice I'm doing all pretty much full bunches of greenery. Snapping them off, creating a nice center base of Magnolia. Big with lots of foliage. Put a little in front. There's where you're at so far. Next, a different type of eucalyptus. An old big, almost I call it elephant ear euc. Tilt it back and throw in our third kind of eucalyptus in our big mixed, beautiful design. I'm going to take some of this, again, clumps, clusters. That's the easiest way to do it. And as you get to this point, everything starts sticking together. This is for my great room where I'm having a meeting today. Dusty Miller right there. Everybody loves Dusty Miller. So now I'm adding the Dusty Miller. People love Dusty Miller. They call it lambs here in another variety because it looks like a baby lamb. Dutch Hydrangeas. Let's go this way this time with the hydrangeas. Flower School 101. It'll give you dates, times, when I'm in a city near you. That's where we're at now. And we're going to finish it off. This took me all of 2 minutes to make. I'm going to turn around and finish it off and spin it and reveal it. And then I'm going to set it somewhere in my home. Look at this drama. Putting in my final touches of my big spread here. I'll even throw in a little bit of that. That is called Silver Dollar Euc. I'm going to spray it all with Crown and Glory to make sure it lasts forever. Flowerschool101.com. Any questions, call me. I'll answer the phone. You can talk to me directly. Michael Gaffney. There's our finished product. Flower School 101. For more information, join us in class. Check out these hydrangeas. Check out some of this foliage. It's all a mix in this container. In this glass container, you'll see at the bottom. So I'm Michael Gaffney. If you want to come to class, join us in class.